What any dog lover needs to know. Dogs are unlike any other animals you can own as a pet. They love you unconditionally, cheer you up when you are down, and want you to love them as much as they do you. This video will tell you how to make your dog's life as amazing as it deserves it to be. Avoid impersonating a medical professional when it comes to your dog's health. In an attempt to save money, many people try to diagnose their pet's conditions or use human treatments on various elements, and that can be very dangerous to the animal. If you can't afford full vet care, tell that to the doctor and ask their advice anyway, or if they could arrange a payment plan for you. Teach your dog to be trained, even if you don't plan on devoting a lot of time to special tricks. A dog needs to understand the basic hierarchy of the home and should be prepared to listen and learn throughout his life. Practice the basics like sit and down in the beginning and introduce something new every once in a while. Daily brushing brings great rewards, much more than just a reduction in shedding. Your dog's coat will be super shiny and beautiful if you brush them every day. When you brush fur, you're also splotching around the oils that help keep your pet's coat looking shiny and healthy. Know your dog's behavior and body rhythms well, to keep him at his healthiest. Medical issues often present themselves in slight nuances early on, and if you know your dog, you'll see them. Pay attention to input and output, sleep duration, energy levels, and so forth to keep on top of important issues that affect his health. All of these hints are now at your fingertips, so it is time to make use of them. Take them each, one by one, and start using them every day. The more you change about your dog's life, the better it will be overall. A happy dog makes for a happy owner, after all. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.